Well, a teacup and saucer made by Royal Doulton in the Fairfax design, period 1960s, 1970s, rib roll moulding, in the walls. This set is got a moderate degree of gilt wear around the rims, and if you look at your Fairfax set, if you're buying this as a replacement, that might well be the case in yours, and this will match into it very well. As a part for if you bring a very bright one in, it can sometimes look quite unusual. Saucer's in better condition, less wear around the rims, but again, it's still used vintage. This nice glazed condition otherwise. Fairfax TC1006 marks, copyright Royal Doulton Limited, with the black line and crown as you'd expect. So do be aware, condition note on this, moderately worn, used vintage condition is how we would accurately describe this. If you're looking for mint condition trios, we do have those available as well, so just check the website out, and if you are looking for those, do a Royal Doulton Fairfax Teacup search and it should pull you this option, plus the 8 or 9 of the mint condition trios we've also got available. But we're offering this because it will match into a used vintage set as a replacement very well, whereas the mint ones will stand out as being very bright. Horses for courses. I like to offer you and make it clear what you're buying. The link below should take you directly through to the website where this particular teacup and saucer is going on sale from Vintage Farmhouse Antiques this afternoon. Thanks for watching.